Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study as a high school student, step by step. First, let's talk about planning. Establishing a consistent study schedule is crucial. Aim for at least 1 hour of focused study time each weekday. Find a dedicated, quiet space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Breaking down big assignments into smaller, 20-minute chunks makes them less daunting and more achievable. Setting clear goals for each session helps you stay on track and feel accomplished. Next, let's dive into active learning, which is far more effective than passive reading. Try summarizing what you've just learned in your own words. This helps reinforce memory. Creating flashcards for key terms or drawing mind maps can visually link concepts together. A fantastic technique is to explain the material to someone else, like a family member, as if you are teaching them. This process reveals any gaps in your understanding, allowing you to address them promptly. Now, let's focus on reinforcing what you've learned. Reviewing your notes within 24 hours of class significantly boosts memory retention. Don't just reread, actively recall information. Practice, practice, practice. Work through practice problems and past exam questions to familiarize yourself with question formats and identify areas needing more attention. Dedicate at least 30 minutes to reviewing challenging topics. Seeking feedback on your assignments helps you understand your strengths and weaknesses. Finally, remember that self-care and consistency are vital for long-term success. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Your brain needs rest to consolidate learning. Take short, 5-minute breaks every 45 minutes of study to prevent burnout and maintain focus. A balanced diet and regular physical activity also contribute significantly to your cognitive function. Most importantly, stick to your study schedule consistently, even on weekends, to build powerful, lasting habits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.